Hi, I'm sorry about that. I should have paused a little bit better. But anyway, like I was saying, how can we educate families to better prepare them for adoption and what they can expect? Because in the journal article that I mentioned, they specifically spoke to women who had adopted. The majority of them were married, so they had that spousal support. And they talked about, expectation compared to reality and just some of the challenges with adopting, like I said, most of them around two, like toddlers. And did they get what they thought they were going to get? And the majority of them felt like their perception of what was going to happen wasn't necessarily realistic. So how do we make that better? Because if we can better prepare adoptive parents for, possible challenges and what they can expect, that's better for them, it's better for the children, and it helps them create that bond a little faster, and to be able to kind of form as a family. And so that would certainly be one of the services that I would look to provide locally here, because I didn't really see a whole lot of that. Some of the places that I mentioned earlier, like Presley Ridge and Coby's, they do have preparation courses, but none of them were quite as detailed as I think they could probably be. So just really beefing those up and really preparing our families for what's about to come. So here's my reference page. I hope you guys enjoyed this and found this informative, and I really look forward to getting your feedback. Thanks so much.